Hi, my name is Tanner.
I'm Kyan.
My name is Dean Stringer.
I'm Cortez.
I'm Elliot Firth.
I'm Carter.
We will be discussing stress and anxiety among college students. Within the survey that we conducted, the topic that all of our survey members said that was the most interesting to them was how to manage stress. So we're going to be talking about what stress is, how to understand it, why it's important to understand it, how it affects you, and how nutritional and exercise components affect stress in our lives.
Now let's review the main factors that contribute to stress and anxiety among college students. First, the academic pressure and workload is one of the major stressors. This is especially true for freshman students who have a big jump in going from their high school workload to college workload. There are higher expectations of them, and the grades carry a lot more weight. Second, students struggle with preparation. Procrastination and poor management skills are often one of the main issues. Fear of failure can also prevent them from starting their work. And these preparation issues create a cycle of stress and anxiety that kind of builds on itself. Finally, study environment plays a crucial role. Noisy or busy environments can make it difficult to concentrate. Poor study environments can reduce your focus, which increases your anxiety and your stress when working.
Stress affects people from all different backgrounds, no matter the age. It is most common amongst college students, and amongst the college students, it is most likely to affect people with high-pressure majors, such as law and pre-med. It is also common amongst people that are juggling a lot in their workload and struggle with family problems and sports, as well as having a job. Overall, stress can affect every college student in all different types of situations.
Stress is important to understand as stress can contribute to a wide variety of symptoms, including headaches. Increased stress can cause eventually heart attacks, high blood pressure. So stress is extremely important to understand among the college population as it can affect people's diets, people's emotions, people's work performance, and even school performance. Chronic stress affects the body as it raises the body's metabolic needs as well as increases the use and excretion of nutrients. In addition to this, stress also contributes to insignificant vitamin intake, nutritional imbalance, and excessive fat can also lead to a dysregulation of stress hormones, meaning that it can cause a lot more hormones in the body to release stress, which causes an individual's anxiety to go through the roof. However, there are two main nutrients that can be used to help lower and decrease the chances of stress. One of those nutrients is going to be magnesium, and it can help reduce inflammation and anxiety. And then another essential nutrient is omega-3, which is going to be a fatty acid that is going to be essential to the body, meaning that we need it in order to survive because our body is not able to produce it by ourselves. And it's essential because it can increase the amount of serotonin, which helps improve stress levels as well as helps a person to sleep at night.
Now, looking at stress from an exercising standpoint, studies shown with individuals ages 60 and over who were living in a very sedentary lifestyle, they did increase by 15 to 25%, and there was significant increases up to 12.6% increase in just mental health, helping with overall brain cognition, with social skills, and also just with overall reduction of stress and overall well-being. But there is a limit that you need to find a good balance because too much can cause even more stress.
All right, here's the research that we did. This table on the left shows the difference in depression, anxiety, and stress between men and women. And in depression, it's more prevalent in men, while in women, anxiety and stress are more prevalent. And then this graph over here shows a survey that was done amongst 843 college students, and it shows a direct correlation with the higher the stress level is, the higher their poor mental health would be. All right, so to conclude, stress is prevalent in all of humanity, but it's the most prevalent amongst college students. You learned how and why it's important to manage your stress, but not let it control you. And some ways to manage stress are through your nutrition health, your physical activity, and your time management skills.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching our video. Here is a list of our sources if you want to learn more about any of this topic. Our second one from the down from the top and the very bottom one here are two empirical sources that are from reputable sources. So thank you so much for listening, and see you guys later.
Thank you guys.